24 hours fitness centers and clubs, providing you with a healthy and fit body. If you like staying fit, you have to consider going to the gym or health clubs in order to stay healthy and maintain a well-toned body. However, you have to realize the fact that not all health clubs and fitness centers offer great quality services that will provide you with positive results. When joining a fitness center or a health club, you have to make sure that the fitness club you join isn't only after your money. It should provide great quality service that will enable you to see positive results in the quickest time possible. One kind of fitness center and health club is called the 24-hour fitness. They have different fitness programs for different people that will enable their clients to get results as quick as possible. 24-hour fitness is one of the leading fitness centers in the world. They only hire professional fitness experts in order to assist you with your workout needs, and they also hire qualified nutritionists that will advise you on what kind of food you should eat and what to avoid. They have programs that have been proven to be effective, and they also offer their membership at a very affordable cost. They have different fitness programs for different people, and they even have membership for the whole family. Their fitness plans are proven to be very effective, and they have professional fitness trainers that can assist you, your family and friends to have a better body and a better health. If you have experienced fitness centers where there are incomplete equipments and existing equipments are obsolete, rusty or difficult to use because of maintenance problems, you have to consider becoming a member of 24-hour fitness. They offer state-of-the-art exercise equipments and complete amenities that are well maintained. This means that you will avoid the frustration of working out in an unreliable exercise equipment or waiting for your turn in a machine. 24-hour fitness can be found almost on every continent, and you won't have any difficulty locating one. They also offer different kinds of workout that will suit your needs and one that you can easily adjust to. 24-hour fitness is also a participant of the Passport program, where you can work out in other fitness centers. All you need to do is show your 24-hour fitness Passport program ID, pay the fee, and you can work out like you are a member of that particular club that is also a member of the Passport program. The Passport program can be very useful if you are traveling and you can't find 24-hour fitness in that area. This means that you can work out anywhere in the world. With over 3,000 fitness clubs all over the world that are participants of the Passport program, you can be sure that you can still work out even if there isn't a 24-hour fitness club near the area you are traveling to. Working out in 24-hour fitness is fun, easy, and can provide you with positive results in your body and also in your health.